Hi, welcome to our CS411 final project. For our final project, we chose to use the Spotify API to collect listening data from our users and display that information in an easy-to-understand format and use that information to recommend new songs and new artists that our users would enjoy. So when you navigate to our website, this is what you'll be greeted with. Then the next step is to log in. My Spotify account information is already cached in my browser, so I don't have to go through any additional steps. But for new users, you would have to log in using your Spotify account, whether that's through Facebook or Google. So I'm going to click log in, then I will be greeted with this home page right here. And this home page will display my most recent listening history, but I can also adjust the time frame. So right now I'm looking at my short-term history, but if I go to this history tab up here, I can select medium term, and the display will update accordingly, or I can select long term, and so on and so forth. So this is one of our main pages. Our other main page is the discovered page, and that's where all of our recommendation magic happens. So if I click discover, I'll be redirected to this page, and the first thing that you see here is this network graph. And what this graph shows is the similarities between the artists that we recommend and your favorite artists. So the recommended artists are in green, and your favorite artists are in blue. And what you can kind of do here is you can kind of look for artists that you really like. So for example, I really like Khalid. Then I kind of see that Alyssa Cara, Madison Beer, Bocce, these are all artists that I should probably listen to because they share a lot of similarities with the artists that I know and like. Another feature that we incorporated on here is song recommendations. So if I scroll down to the bottom here, I see all of these songs that I'll probably enjoy listening to, and this is based on my existing genre preferences. And like the home page, I can also adjust the time frame here. So if I go to history again and I click medium term, I'll take a couple seconds to load, but I'll be greeted with this new graph. And it'll contain my medium-term favorite artists and my medium-term recommended artists. And the same things will happen to the song recommendations. They'll adjust to the time period. So that covers our main functionality. And a couple other things that we have here are the refresh data button. So this should be used when you haven't logged in to this website in a long time and you want to see your most recent data from Spotify rather than the data that's, maybe old and stale and stored in our database right now. So refresh will kind of get your most recent data and it'll update your database entries. Then delete account will remove all of your data from the database, so we don't really recommend using delete account. It'll log you out, but if you want to kind of reuse our website, then you'll have to wait for our app to kind of retrieve all your data again from Spotify. So once you're done using our website, we recommend that you click log out. Then you'll be redirected back to the page that you first saw. So that kind of covers everything that our app does, and we really hope that you enjoyed watching this demo video. Thank you for listening. Hi, welcome to our CS411 final